is Shakia. I'm the CEO and founder of Big Up Your Skin product. Today I will be demonstrating my self-care / skincare routine, and this is pretty much just how I relax, unwind. Usually just play some meditation music to set the tone, light an incense to just set the vibe. So yeah, I'm gonna start the routine off by just steaming my face, and I just turn my steamer on. So I'm telling you, this is so necessary to do, especially these days. So calm. Comment down below if you have a steamer, if you use a steamer, comment below if a steamer is something that you will be interested in purchasing. And now that my skin is, my pores are super open, wide, I'm gonna start cleansing my face using our Coolcumber Melon bar soap. The steamer brought all the impurities to the surface. I'm just gonna clean away the toxins. And if you have not yet subscribe to our channel. If you like what you're seeing and you want to see more, click the post notification bell so you can get more updates when we upload videos. And yeah, I just cleansed my face and my face feels so fresh. Step 3 is to use flower power. This could be used for so many different ways. Sometimes when you just need to quick hydrate your face, don't have time to fully do a whole routine. This has so many nutrients and skin food in this bottle. To cleanse my face, I just put a couple pumps of flower power mist. I just use a little cloth to wipe away any excess dirt. Okay. Step 4, which is to mask, and I'm gonna be masking with Big Up Your Skin Rose and Hibiscus face mask. I love it so much. It's so easy to just smear on. I'm gonna start by easily smearing on the mask. Also, this brush can be purchased on our website, and the angles of this brush is perfect for getting around your eyes. You see how I could just easily get in the corner of my eyes, because I'm the type of person to mask my entire face. I don't miss a spot. So this mask literally works wonders for ridden acne, all type of blemish scars, the rose extracts are anti-inflammatory, ton of vitamins and nutrients in this mask to stimulate collagen production. And when your skin has any discoloration, blemishes, scars, it's trying to repair itself, and these vitamins help repair your skin more effectively. Hibiscus has so many youthful benefits. Get into this. So I'm just gonna let the mask dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. The mask is literally so tight. It's ready to be washed off when your face feels so stiff. And this process is really good for tightening your skin so you don't have wrinkles. And I I just washed my face. Step 5. Exfoliate my lips using our maple brown sugar lip scrub. This stuff smells so good. You might want to eat it, but don't. So yeah, I'm literally gonna be, this is the texture of it, and it's really like grainy, perfect for exfoliation. And this helps to plump your lips naturally, increase blood circulation. And I'm just gonna wipe it off. I'm gonna be using our lip mask, and the lip mask literally goes on like butter. My lips feel so good. I feel my lips like throbbing a little from the blood circulation. This is step 6. I'm just gonna again tone my face. This time I'm not gonna wipe it, because before you apply a moisturizer, you want to make sure your face is a little wet, just so that it could be more receptive to the product. And I'm gonna be hydrating with our lavender whipped butter. It smells so good. It feels so good. And I'm just gonna, not too much, just lightly. I'll just like to put a little bit on my fingertips, and I put it on my eyelids. I don't know when I started to do this, but now the next step is to massage my face. It rids headaches, it minimizes your pores, and I do this for about 5 minutes. Also comment down below if this accessory is something that you'll be interested in using. So the final step is to use my rose quartz roller. Perfect for promoting healthy blood circulation in the face. Really relaxing. And I also use my gua sha. That was the last step in my self-care / skincare pampering routine. It's so essential to do routines like this just to unwind and take time for yourself. If you have any suggestions on videos, anything, it's time to really get into ourselves and taking care of ourselves. Stop using products that's oversaturated with unhealthy, toxic ingredients, and move to the natural side.